Kneebot provides 3 levels of suction power, including small 700 Pa, regular 1200 Pa, and strong modes 2700 Pa. Easily handle the regular particles that fell on the floor, from as small as dirt and rice to as big as peanuts and nutshells. After sales service, Kneebot provides 1-year warranty and 30 days no-worry return. Also, we know that you will definitely have all kinds of questions when using the robot. We will provide a detailed FAQ page and reply within 24 HS to help you solve the problems. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Automatic dirt collecting and disposal. Forget about vacuuming for up to a month with Kneebot self-emptying dustbin. Kneebot automatically transfers the dirt collected from the robot into the bag-lined dustbin without you having to touch the mess. Number 2. 2700 Pa powerful suction. Kneebot can easily carry out more heavy cleaning tasks with its unbeatable suction power of 2700 Pa. 2 side brushes and a roller brush effectively loosen, extract, and vacuum dirt to give a superior clean. Number 3. 4 weeks of dirt and debris. Set it and forget it. The auto-sealed dust bag holds 2 to 4 weeks of dirt and debris for easy disposal without the cloud of dust. Number 4. Smart mapping. The technologies of LiDAR navigation and the simultaneous localization and mapping SLAM literally make Kneebot smarter than ever. Number 5. Kneebot Home App. With the Kneebot Home App, you can adjust cleaning settings, customize the cleaning strategy, and monitor the cleaning status and more no matter where you are. Number 6. Scheduled cleaning. Kneebot allows users to schedule a specific room to be cleaned at different times and on different dates, providing truly convenient and effortless home cleaning. Number 7. Remote control. Kneebot can also work without Wi-Fi. You will be able to get access to the most frequently used features via the remote control offered in the package. Some features such as scheduling and setting no-go zones would not be available as they are completed through the Kneebot Home app. Number 8. Kneebot. Clean my bedroom. Tell your robot where or when to clean with the app or with voice control via Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. If you do not know how to connect it, please let us know in time. Number 9. A hands-free cleaning solution. Forget about cleaning dust boxes for up to a month with Kneebot self-emptying dustbin. Kneebot automatically transfers the dirt collected from the robot into the bag-lined dustbin without you having to touch the mess. Get notifications once the dust bag is full. Number 10. Never get trapped. The LiDAR navigation technology and the simultaneous localization and mapping SLAM literally make Kneebot smarter than ever. Kneebot uses a Z-shaped vacuuming pattern to make sure no corner is left, avoids obstacles with ease, and tackles tough terrain effortlessly. Number 11. Complete control through Kneebot app. With the Kneebot Home app, you can adjust cleaning settings, customize the cleaning strategy, and monitor the cleaning status and more no matter where you are. And it is compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, and so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Where do you get replacement dust bags? Answer. The extra dust bag kit will be available on Amazon next week, and the current 3 dust bag included in the package can be used for around 2 months. Question number 2. Bagless. Do I have to use the vac bag? Can be used as a bagless. Answer. It uses bag-lined dustbin and you have to use bag-lined dustbin as it auto-detect when it is full. Question number 3. Where can I find a replacement docking station? I broke mine. Answer. We don't sell the replacement docking station. We sell the whole kit. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.